Alright, so magandang Tuesday morning sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click po na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so stop being ordinary or stop an very ordinary life. For how many years po? For 43 years. I live a very ordinary life. Very ordinary. So that means ordinary lang ang oras ng gising. That's before 6 a.m. Yeah. Very ordinary, di ba? So, ordinary lang din ang mga routine. So, pagising, kakain, papasok, uwi, manonood ng TV, Sabado, mamamasyal, di ba? Magmo-mall, pag holidays, gagala, di ba? So, very ordinary ang routine. Okay? So, at very ordinary din ang aking work. So, I work in the, before in public school and now in private as a principal. So, pag ginawa, ay, principal si Doc. Pero pag tingnan mo, ordinary lang din siya. It's an ordinary work. Ordinary thing na pwede lang din gawin na kahit sino. Pwede naman maging principal yung kahit sino, di ba? Mag-aaral ka ng education, then you can have, you can be a principal, alright? So, in other words, ordinary life. So, dahil ordinary lang ang aking ginagawa, I'm producing ordinary outputs. Okay? Ordinary, yung productivity level natin, ordinary lang din. Right? And, of course, because of this, ang income natin is also ordinary. Alright? So, dahil ordinary lang din ang income natin, I live a very ordinary lifestyle. Ordinary lifestyle. Ito yung, wala lang, pag meron kang gustong bilhin, kailangan mo munang mag-travel, kailangan mo munang mag-loan, di ba? Kailangan, sponsored lang, kaya ka makakaalis, di ba? So, yung mga gusto mong bilhin, so kailangan mo munang mag-ipunin, then, or kailangan mo munang hintayin ang mga bonus bago mo magawa yan. Very ordinary lifestyle. So, in other words, pag tinignan mo siya, sa kabuuan, it's an ordinary life. Right? So, are you doing the same thing? Yung bambuhay mo is also an ordinary life? Ordinary din ba yung routine mo? Ordinary din ang trabaho mo? Ordinary din yung napoproduce mong products? Minimum lang din. Okay? So, therefore, ordinary din ang iyong income, ordinary ang iyong lifestyle. Lahat ay isang ordinaryong buhay. So, mamamatay tayong isang ordinaryong tao. Di ba? Alright? So, ang challenge ko ngayong umaga na to, Tuesday morning, is to live an extraordinary life. Okay? So, iwanan na natin yung 97%. Sabi nga nila, yung 97% ng tao are doing, okay, ordinary things. Iwanan natin. Let's join the 3%. So, sino ba yung 3%, Doc G? Ang 3%, eto yung nabubuhay ng extraordinary ang ginagawa nila. Extraordinary things, extraordinary life, extraordinary routine, extraordinary productivity level, and extraordinary lifestyle with extraordinary income. Yun yon. Alright? So, Doc, ano bang gagawin? Paano mangyayari? Anong gagawin natin step? Okay. Alam nyo, binanggit ko kanina yung the ordinary life I have. Okay? I had. Alright? Before pa kasi yun. So, ngayon, naging extraordinary siya when I started doing extraordinary things. Alright? So, eto. Ulitin ko yung example ko. Okay? So, when I started being extraordinary, nagsimula lahat yan nung naging speaker ako. When I started to dream, to have a dream, and to do that dream. So, nangarap ako na gusto kong maging speaker. Right? So, from ordinary routine, binago ko yung aking routine. Okay? So, from the ordinary books na binabasa ko, pinalitan ko na extraordinary. Alright? So, in other words, nag-inject ako na extraordinary things, extraordinary routine to become a rockstar speaker. Alright? So, to become a speaker, because sabi ko kagabi kay Ma'am Joyce, kino-coach ko siya. Hi, Ma'am Joyce. And kay Mira, and kay Sir. Bago nating kumpare. Hello sa aking bagong inaanak, si Mira. In-announce ko na, So, sabi ko sa kanya, ang pagiging speaker, hindi siya ganun kadali. Kasi you need to read a lot, you need to learn many things. Okay? So, that makes my routine then an extraordinary. Then I started writing my book. This is my book. Sa akin, this is an extraordinary accomplishment. Alright? Extraordinary. Para makasulat ka ng isang libro. Di ba sabi nga nila, to leave a legacy, you need to have a child. Okay? So, hindi tayo makapanganak kasi single pa tayo. You have to plant a tree or write a book. So, nagplant ako ng maraming trees and I was able to write my book, How to Embrace Transformation. Para magawa ko po to, I did ordinary, very extraordinary routine. Nagigising ako ng 4 a.m. 4 a.m. to write 2 to 3 pages. Sa gabi, another 2 pages. Saturday, nasa ilalim ako ng puno doon sa backyard ng aking kaibigan. Papunta doon. Okay. Dala ko mga libro ko, tables, lahat, laptop, sulat, for 5 weeks. 5 weeks na hindi naging ordinary yung aking routine. Pero ito siya. This book. Okay? So, ito yung nagbigay sa akin ng one of the reasons why tingin ko I'm living an extraordinary life. Kasi nakapagsulat ako ng book. Alright? So, do you want to write your own book? Or do you want to have a special project? Change your ordinary routine to extraordinary routine. How? Gumising ka ng earlier. And, pag nagising ka naman ng earlier, hindi ka lang magkakape. Okay? Pag gising mo na 1 hour earlier than your usual time, you do one project. Ano ba yung project mo? Gusto mo mag-paint o magsulat ng book or e-book? Gusto mo makabuo ng isang novel? O gusto mong makapag-conceptualize ng kakaibang business? Diba? So, something like that. So, gamitin mo yung 1 hour mo sa umaga and 1 hour sa gabi to do extraordinary project. Alam ko meron tayong project na extraordinary. Like Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, di ba? Microsoft, Facebook, sa kanila, isa siyang project, isa siyang extraordinary thing that they want to do. Kaya nga nagkulong sila ng ilang months, di ba? Focusing on their special project that makes them extraordinary. Kaya tingin natin, di ba, Zuckerberg, parang siyang Facebook. Pag binanggit mo Zuckerberg, parang binanggit yung Facebook. Microsoft, pag binanggit mo si Bill Gates, parang mo na yung binabanggit ang Microsoft. Extraordinary life. Malilimutan pa ba natin sila? Hindi na, di ba? Hindi mo na sila malilimutan because of that extraordinary project, extraordinary accomplishment na ginawa nila. At nangyari siya when, okay, they started breaking the routine. Ginawa nilang, yung daily routine nila, ginawa nilang extraordinary. Alright? So, paano ba magiging extraordinary ang buhay natin? You do extraordinary thing na something like unexpected from you. Unexpected na gagawin mo siya. Again and again, let me give my example. A vlogger, from principal to vlogger, meron ba nun? Siguro ako lang. Okay? So, kung meron man, hello sa'yo, message mo ko. Kung principal ka din, then you are a vlogger. Di ba? Extraordinary. Ang ordinary routine ng isang principal, uwi siya. After work, uwi, magbabasa, baka mag-check ng lesson plan and everything. Di ba? But I was able to break that thing. So, sabi ko, hindi pwede ito yung routine ko. Or hindi pwedeng, ito pa rin gagawin ko pag gawin sa bahay. Di ba? So, maghapon na seryoso ang work eh. Di ba? So, I started this one. Vlogging. Okay? My YouTube channel. It's an extraordinary thing. Para sa akin, kung extraordinary na makapagsulat ako ng book, extraordinary lalo para sa akin ang maging vlogger. It's an extraordinary thing. If you know me by, when I was studying, when I was in college, hindi mo isipin, harap ba ako sa camera? Kaya nga yung mga nagpapakote sa akin, they want to have their own YouTube channel. Nahiya sila na sabi ko, ma-overcome mo rin yan. Diba? Ma-overcome din natin yung ganyang ayaw natin sa camera. Ngayon nga, pagharap ng camera yeah. Ready na. Diba? It's an extraordinary thing for me to have my YouTube channel. Okay? So, create that extraordinary thing. Yung, para siyang isang, kaya siya extraordinary, alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi hindi siya na-expect coming from from a principal. Okay? For example, ikaw ay IT graduate. Tapos nag-MC ka, nag-host ka. So, extraordinary skill. Extraordinary thing. Because most of the IT graduates, diba, hindi sila nagsasalita, di ba? Then there you are, okay? An MC, you're a host, right? O kaya naman isa kang choreographer, extraordinary, you can dance, you can sing, isang IT graduate. Di ba? Baka meron kasi tayong, kaya ko to binabanggit, baka kasi meron tayong extraordinary skill na hindi natin siya i-deny natin, hindi natin siya ma-recognize. It's because naisip mo, pag nagsimula mo na siya maisip, maramdaman na you want to do it, naisip mo agad, so parang hindi naman to bagay sa akin. Walang ganon, kaya nga the more na hindi bagay, the more that you'll do it. Kasi extraordinary siya Pag bagay siya, ordinary. Remember that, di ba? Kaya siya hindi naging bagay, kasi extraordinary siya, di ba? O, first time kanilang makita nga nakapalda, di ba? Parang hindi bagay, tingin nila. Kasi extraordinary. Hindi siya ordinary na sinusuot mo, di ba? Pagka, nagsiseminar ako, nagko-coach ako, nag-vlog, sabi nila, ano po yung trabaho nyo? I'm a principal. Nagugulo sila. Ganun talaga yung gulat nila. Principal ka po. Ba't ka po naging vlogger? Ba't masama? May rule. May DepEd memo. Diba? So, you just do extraordinary skill. Like being a coach. Well, coach is an extraordinary thing na nagagawa natin. Okay? So, delivers o kung bago ka sa channel ko, ano yung extraordinary thing na dapat mong gawin? Magsimula ka sa routine mo. Break that ordinary skill. Break that ordinary productivity level. Break, and even the ordinary people around us. Diba? Hindi ko sinasabing alisin mo, magdagdag ka na extraordinary people sa buhay mo. Ang dami nating tao. Ang daming tao sa mundo, 7 billion, 101 million Filipinos. Wala ka bang makuha dyan na extraordinary? Meron. Kaya lang masyado tayo ayaw na natin magdagdag ng kaibigan pag ito tayo na magkakasama, di ba? Mula college kami magkakaibigan, di ba? Forever. Ordinary nga yung mga kaibigan mo di ba? Kaya ordinary ka rin. Ako natutuwa ako na every time I meet different types of people from different backgrounds, with different lifestyle, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Kaya pag may ganun ay take advantage of getting to know them better. Nagiging part sila ng inner circle ko. Kaya naging kumari ko na si Ma'am Joyce. Si Gigi. Naging kumpare ko na, Kasi nakita ko yung extraordinary vision nila sa buhay. Extraordinary life they have. Diba? Surround your people with your life with extraordinary people. Marirealize mo, ba't sila kaya nilang gawin? Ba't sila kaya nilang magganto? Kaya mo din yan. Okay? Masyado ka lang naging komportable sa ordinary buhay na meron ka. You break that band-aids. Kasi minsan band-aids din yan Sabi ko sa lesson ko nung Sunday sa church. Merong umaalipin sa atin nakakulong tayo may band-aids na kumukulong sa atin because of these ordinary things na ginagawa natin, ordinary people, ordinary circumstances na meron tayo. You need to break that band-aids. Right? So, delivers, bakit ordinary ang buhay mo? Because of the reasons that I stated. May chance pa to turn your life from extraordinary from ordinary to being extraordinary. Alright? And, announcement na tayo. Sa July 6, nasa tayo, Robinsons, Pampanga, seminar on laundry shop, how to start your laundry shop. Kasama natin si Ma'am Joyce. So, as the expert, so meron siyang experience on how to run a laundry shop at nagtatagumpay. So, she just want to share yung strategies, marketing strategies, and how to what to do sa first 3 months ng yung business. Okay? Sa Robinsons Pampanga, for only registration fee is only 2,500. Meron na po yung kasamang snacks, okay? And gusto magpa-code sa atin, message ka lang. I do online and personal coaching. And if you want to advertise your business sa aking YouTube channel and e-marketing site, mag-message ka lang. 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so thank you very much, G-Livers. Enjoy the rest of the day, yan. Let's go, let's go.